Gotta get my cool dudes.
Yeah. Hey y'all, Corey here with BARC Tree Care, and we're getting ready to roll today. Got the brand new PJ dump trailer. I'll put this thing to work today. Got Evan over here, superstar, on the Snapchat. I had a camera in my face, so I guess he wanted one in his. So here, I'm helping him out.
Feeling a little left out.
Yeah. Let's get them trees. All right, we're here on the job. We've got a nice new PJ trailer. Then we got the old one we've been using for a lot of years. That one's seen some use, but it's still going strong for us. And we have some trees right here by the garage. There's 3 trees, 3 elms. Need to take these down and get them out of there. Well, for the first day, I'd say the P&J trailer definitely did a good job. Hauled a load of firewood with it. Got that back to the house so that we can keep the shop warm next winter. And yeah, toted around the stump grinder for us. So did a good job today.